Welcome to this guide on customizing the RI Hotspots number 1 section in Shopify. Let's get started. First, go to Edit Code and click on Customize Theme. Click on Add section, then select RI Hotspots number 1 to begin customization. In this section, you can add a heading and enable or disable the heading custom font. Choose a font family and adjust the heading size, including options for mobile view. You can also modify the heading line height and set the heading text alignment, both for desktop and mobile. For the body, adjust the padding both vertically and horizontally, as well as tweak the border radius and border thickness. You can enable or disable the body shadow to add depth to the design. When it comes to images, you can upload an image, select its aspect ratio, and make adjustments for mobile. Customize the image radius and modify the border thickness. Additionally, you have the option to enable or disable the image shadow for a more refined look. The hotspot customization offers various options. Adjust the hotspot padding both vertically and horizontally, as well as the hotspot radius and border thickness. You can enable or disable hotspot animation for an interactive experience. For text customization, enable or disable custom fonts, choose a font family, and adjust the hotspot title size with separate settings for mobile. Modify the title line height, hotspot image width, and tweak the hotspot image radius. You can also set the minimum width for the hotspot content and adjust the content padding both vertically and horizontally. Further refinements include adjusting the hotspot content radius and border thickness. Enable or disable the hotspot text custom font, select a font family, and set the hotspot text size with mobile-friendly options. Adjust the text line height and text margin to optimize readability. Customize the hotspot background color, border color, icon color, title color, and other visual elements. Adjust the heading color, body background color, border color, body shadow color, image border color, and image shadow color to match your theme's aesthetics. Modify the section layout by adjusting the margin top and bottom outside the section, as well as the padding top and bottom inside the section. You can also tweak the padding sides with separate settings for mobile. Enable or disable full width mode and set the section content width and border thickness for a structured layout. Now, go back and click on a block item to fine-tune its settings. Adjust the hotspot position vertically and horizontally with dedicated controls for both desktop and mobile views. Add a hotspot type, a hotspot title, and even an image to make it visually engaging. For rich media content, you can add text content, choose a video from Shopify, or embed a video URL for enhanced interactivity. That's it. You've successfully customized the RI Hotspots number 1 section in Shopify. Now, you have full control over the layout, design, and interactivity of your store. Happy customizing!